Okay, we're under the pulpit. We're testing the mic here. It's not lit up red either. Let's see what we got here. Testing, testing, testing. Well, dead mic, so nothing there. It's plugged in down here under the pulpit. It's duct taped together, so more than likely that's a bad mic, bad connection. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of my old handheld mics. I'm going to take this loose. I'm going to take the one that's damaged out. It's duct taped together. I'm going to plug this is one of the mics we had during COVID when we worshiped outside. We'll take this one and plug in the same spot. Sure that did. Testing, testing. We have power. Okay. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing. Hello, testing, testing. Okay, you can hear me back there, can't you?
Very good.
Okay, we're at Pam's piano here with her mic. And testing, testing, testing. Don't hear anything from there. So you go down here to the keyboard. She is on number 11. Let's see my chart here. Piano vocal is on 13. That would be this one right here. So we're not working, so I'm going to do the same thing I did with pulpit. I'm going to unplug that one, and I'm going to plug in the vocal wire for the pulpit. I took another extra mic. I'm going to plug these in. It's an XLR. See what we got on that. Oh, I heard a snap there, so something must be. Testing, testing, testing. Now Pam's looks like Pam's mic is now working, the vocal mic. So we got two cables, no good. That's what we got right there. We got a new microphone cable in here, or we'll have to get one. This is my test mic. So that takes care of that. Okay, what we have here is an XLR cable. That was the one that was duct taped together on the pulpit with all the gum still left on there. This come off of the gooseneck that was on the pulpit here. And I don't know why it was duct taped together, probably because cable broke on it. But to get this duct tape residue off here, I guess I'm going to have to get some Goo Gone and some other stuff to. Once I get that off of there, I can get the capsule out of the middle of it there, solder the wires back together, and see what we got. Okay, we got the XL capsule apart. I'm going to get ready to clean it. I don't want to clean it with the prongs inside of it. That's the XLR part. They are pretty much soldered. You got the red and the black and the ground. I can see the ground. So get this thing cleaned off without getting it on the prongs here, and then we'll go for there. Okay, with a toothbrush, we can get in here and get some of this gummy stuff off using Goo Gone cleaner to clean off some of this residue that's real super sticky. It's almost like super glue. And so far it's done a pretty good job. Get most of that off, and I get some off of this wire here. Don't want to get anything up on that part there, but that's why I keep that in the dry. Flip it around a little bit. I think we've got her done here. Get that cable off a little bit. And get this one cleaned up a little bit more. And that'll do that for now.